Top 3 free AI text to images that compete Midjourney. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that which 3 softwares or AIs are there to compare Midjourney that change your text to images. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So the first one I'm going to work with is Leonardo.ai. You can simply search for it on your browser and you can sign up or create an account. Once you have created your account, you simply can select any model over here and then you can simply go to AI image generation. Once you click AI image generation, here you simply have to write a prompt in this box and then you have to simply click generate. You can choose the customs over here. For example, if I write over here a sunset and then I'm going to just simply click generate over here, it's going to generate a sunset image for me. So that's how you change your text to image on Leonardo.ai. Let's let it load and go to runway over here. You simply have to search for runway ML in your browser and then you have to sign up or create an account. You can simply go back and here you can click generate images over here and then you can simply click text to image over here and then you can simply write over here the prompt that you want to generate an image for and then you can click generate and then it's going to generate an image. For example, I'm going to write a polar bear over here and then you simply have to click generate and it's going to generate the image. And then you can get this simplified over here and you can simply write a prompt in the simplified. You simply have to search for simplified in your browser and you can create an account and then you can just write a prompt over here. For example, I'm going to choose this over here and click generate and then you have to just wait for a while and it's going to generate an image for you. Here you can see that my images have been generated. So that's how you generate text to images using AI. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.